Here at RFK Racing, we know about the stresses an engine can take. So when it comes to motor oil, we trust Castrol for a few reasons. Well, actually, there's 7 reasons. Let me show you. Castrol Full Synthetic Oils are engineered for superior performance and protection in 7 critical areas. Not 1, not 2, but freaking 7. Let's start with the most important one, endurance. Whether you measure your distance in laps like me or miles like everybody else. Either way, Castrol has best-in-class oil change intervals to maintain your engine's top performance for a long time. Like a very long time. And along all those miles, you're going to be thinking about the next critical area, fuel economy. High-quality oil means less friction and a more efficient engine, so you'll go farther between pit stops. Sometimes us drivers are under a lot of pressure, but that's nothing compared to the 1 billion pascals of pressure that Castrol can stand up to in your engine. If that sounds like a lot, that's because it is. Maintaining that fluid space between parts ensures high levels of wear protection. Without it, that type of wear can compromise combustion. Meanwhile, Castrol Full Synthetic Oils also work to fight off sludge. They suspend sludge particles to keep surfaces clean. Keeping your engine clean brings us to number 6, power. Fewer engine deposits affect your car's acceleration and top speed, which is kind of a big deal in my line of work. And of course, high temperature performance. When the engine runs hot, other oils can oxidize, robbing your car of performance. But Castrol's Full Synthetics can handle the heat. Whew. Me, on the other hand, I try not to run hot, but what can I say? I'm passionate about motor oil.